Right, we've got pasta. Pasta, cheese, salt, bit of mayo. Yes. Do you know what I actually put in this? This time? Curry sauce, like a curry jar sauce. And we're just gonna, I mean, this is a bit, I put it on my bowl thinking it wasn't that much, but it is. Cat's gonna fight. Today has been one of those days, guys. Do you know what I mean? Look at that bag. I'm not joking you. That has been like that for a couple of days now. Sammy! Leave her alone! Hold on. Sorry, that was my fucking ginger twat beating his sister up again. So, got the animals being a dickhead. No offence, Milo, you're being fine. Ellie off school because she went sick. Tommy crying his eyes out because he doesn't want to go. Something else went on today. And something else went on today. Like, can a girl catch a break today? Do you know what I mean? So I'm just going to freaking chill and pretend that nothing exists. Anyway, it wasn't anything crazy, but it was just two fucking situations that I just couldn't be bothered to deal with. No, one of the situations I couldn't be bothered to deal with. The other one, not so much. Anyway, it's what it is. We move and now we eat our body weight in pasta. Anyway, what have you guys eaten? If you haven't eaten something, eat something. Something's better than nothing. Look at that cheese. Are you joking me? Do you know what? I've never actually done this with the curry. It was because I was at Tommy's parents' evening and then they were like, Ellie was like, there's nothing in the house. There's a way to go shopping because I'm taking my mum tomorrow. So I was like, I'll come back and make you some pasta. Anyway, I came back, done the pasta and then looked in the sauce and there was only like curry sauces and I was like, oh my god, what am I going to do this? What's the jalfrezi going to taste like in pasta? With some peas. It actually turned out alright. So, wait, that. I had loads of stuff in the freezer. And I could have done stuff with rice, but she chose pasta. It's actually bigger bowl than I thought. And now I'm choking. Does anything else want to go wrong with me tonight? Anything? Slash today. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, tomorrow's a new day, right? I've literally just let him in. They want to terrorise me. They're like, do you know what? She's not had a fantastic day. Let's fuck it up even more. I'm getting full. I'm getting full. What's the matter? You've been fed, been watered. Sammy. Daisy down there, Sammy there, Milo there. Milo's ready to fight them. Don't even know why anyway, because they will literally fuck him up. He's out the door now, so I'm gonna have to let him go. This is actually really filling. Now what the hell? I can't even give any to my dog because it's curry. Am I? No. Anyway, weather's been shitty today. That's probably why. Dampens everyone's mood, doesn't it? Ellie's sick. Tommy's crying. I've had a shit day. Sammy wants to beat his sister up. See? Sun needs to come out. Anyway, guys. Have a good evening.